Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create group chat in Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. Now at the bottom right of Snapchat you will see the little chat with the pencil icon in blue color. If you don't see this icon, make sure to update your Snapchat to the latest version. Then you will see it. Click on it and it's going to show you this. Now over here at the top, make sure you're in the new chat section. Now over here you want to tick mark on the person whom you want to add on the group. So I'm going to add this person, and I'm going to add this person, and I'm going to add one person. Okay, this person. So if I choose all this person over here, their name is going to be added at the top. Where it says new group name, I can click on it and name this group anything. So I'm going to name this group random group 55. So after I name the group, I can click on chat with group. Click on OK. Once I click on chat with group, a group is going to be created just like this. So that is basically how we guys can create a group chat in Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.